All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is the LAREDO model, black with black cloth interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, roof racks, alloy wheels. Only 38,000 miles on this vehicle. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Check it out, fog lights. Looks good. It looks pretty good. Does seem to have some scuffing here, about 6 inches, and some more scuffing on the actual panel itself right there. All right, your hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front passenger rim, your front driver's rim looks good. I don't see any curbing. Your tire dirt for this is under 430 seconds. Let me double check it. That's right, under 430 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good, and this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire dirt is under 430 seconds. Let me double check it. That's right, under 430 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. There's a powered seat. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. AC, because it is hot as hell today. All right, folks. You got your AM, FM top lights. Got your AM, FM CD player, all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Alright, and this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure. And as you can see, it's the front right has 1%. I don't know why. Definitely doesn't. I don't think the sensor's working on it. Alright, guys. Other than that, we look pretty damn good on here. Keep it moving. Turn on the fog lights. Pow. Alright. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. Headrest is down. Rear passenger seat, what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your lift gate looks good. So what your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a there is a spare tire here with some tools and such. That'd be nice. Keeping it moving. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. Has some curbing coming around. I'll say about 10 or more inches just to engulf it all. Your tire thread is under 430 seconds. Has a dent here, about 2 to 3 inches right there, and a scuffing here on this molding piece. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Just saw a dent here, about 1 inch. PDR work there. This fender here looks good. Here's our front driver's rim. Over here, front passenger rim. I don't see any curbing. Any tire third is over 730 seconds. Fog lights are working. Car is on, folks. Once again, this is a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee LAREDO model with 38,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.